Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to remove animations from any of your elements or text in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website and then just head over to your project and look for the elements or text that you want to remove your animation from. So I'll just select this element here that has already been animated. So just go over here to the animate section. So as you can see, there's already an animation added to this element. So if you want to remove the animation, just go over here and you can see the remove animation option. Just click here and your animation has been removed. So let's just do the same for this text here that has already been animated. Just click here, go to animate, and just click here on remove animation, and you are done. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.